Yo!
What is that?
Yo, is that Heynelm? Yo, Heynelm screaming. Guys, hurry up.
Yeah, guys. Now.
Yo, Heynelm. Yo, where are you? Oh my god. Yo, oh my god. What the heck? Don't stand up. Dude, is that a scissor in his head?
Oh my god! Oh my god! He got a scissors in his head!
Yes, that's what I said.
No, how did this happen?
I was running with the scissors.
Oh my god.
Are you stupid, bro? How you gonna run with scissors?
You were running with them facing up, right? It's
Yeah.
supposed to be down. We learned that in elementary school. Scissors down.
Oh, wait.
No, she's a
Wait,
teacher.
guys, calm down. Let me see something.
Ah!
Oh, wait.
Touch it.
Listen to me. Listen. I'm gonna try. Yo, I'm gonna try to pull it out. Wait.
No.
Just.
We gotta take him to the hospital.
If you pull it out, I could bleed out and die, you
We need
idiot!
to put alcohol on it.
Okay, yo, wait. Let me just see something. Wait. Oh my god. Oh. Yo.
Call 911!
Okay, call 911. No, my buddy, no. No.
You gotta kill the germs.
I thought you were a teacher.
That way it doesn't get infected.
You gotta clean that out.
Yo.
How do you feel?
I'm going to shock.
I think his body doesn't feel the
going to
pain
shock.
because he's in shock.
Come on, I gotta do that thing.
Dude, he doesn't need CPR.
Yes, he does.
Oh. Whoa. Yo.
Sit him down. I think he's...
Yo, guys, put him in the sofa.
Before he passes out. He's gonna pass out. We gotta sit him down.
Oh. My bellies.
William is the only one who knows CPR here.
Yo, Heynelm.
Hey, now, what do we do to wake him up?
CPR, go.
CPR?
Teacher. No, CPR is mouth to mouth.
Hello, he's still breathing.
Gordon's gonna give him CPR.
No, Gordon's here.
Guys, listen. For real? Seriously, we gotta figure out.
I'm so nervous, bro.
Dude, I understand, but we gotta figure something out.
I can't see blood, babe. Okay, let's sit you down.
Disgusting.
Sit down. Sit here. Okay, do you see how many numbers do I have?
7.
How
Oh,
did this
my-
happen?
I think it's messing with my vision.
How many numbers?
Ollie, it's messing with my vision.
Ollie's here.
Huh?
Here.
William!
What?
Danielle.
What?
How many fingers am I holding?
8.
He's out of it.
He's doing really bad.
No, William.
He's not. Just come on to die.
What if you put it more anal?
There's blood!
Oh my god, he passed out! William doesn't do go with blood. He needs alcohol. Get the alcohol. Oh, look at him now.
What happened?
Edgar.
What happened?
Edgar.
Water.
There's blood.
Guys, William just passed out again. No. William, are you okay? William doesn't do go with blood.
I think William needs water.
William, water.
There's blood. Oh no.
He needs water.
He needs water. He needs water.
William, wake up. Wake up, William.
Are you better?
No. Oh, there's blood. Oh.
Okay, well, let's just put a pill under his head. He's gonna be fine. Hey, now is the one with a serious issue.
That's the one giving water to
Call
William.
911 for me, please. I don't have my cell phone.
Oh, they call the police!
I think that we should take him to the hospital.
But we can't. The car doesn't have any gas.
He's getting into shock, babe!
Baby, I don't know what to do.
No,
Baby, just let him leave.
Danielle!
He's gonna go meet up with people.
Oh my god, it's really in.
I think I should push it in.
Push it in? Are you crazy?
Guys, he's bleeding a lot.
Baby, I went like this.
Don't do
Baby, just touch my nuts.
He's trying to grab into something.
You're trying taking it out.
Okay, guys, I'm good. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna call 911. Give me a second. You got blood in your hands.
Don't tell him that, Edgar. Oh my god. Why would you tell him that, Edgar? No.
I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what to do.
Okay, we got.
Danielle, do you
We're
want
taking
some
it back.
alcohol?
No, listen.
Are you lightheaded?
A little.
I think, babe, he has scissors in his head. I think he's really like that. Listen, guys, comment down below. What do you think we should do? Should we pull the scissors out or should we push him in? In and out, in and out. I don't know, babe. I don't know. I'm not a doctor.
I don't think we should do it.
The scissors are messing with my brain.
Guys, do you like Heynelm to be like this better?
We have to fix it.
Oh, the scissors are messing with my brain.
Tyler, yeah, my best friend has a scissor in his head.
And then William is fainted over there.
Really quick.
So I don't know.
The scissors are
Well-
messing with my hands.
Look, Melly,
We have to tie him down and fix it. Fix his injury.
You want me to?
Oh my god, he just hit you. Oh my god.
I don't want to hit you, but my scissors are...
Wait, no, there's no possible way. No, we gotta get here quicker. Yeah, there's like a lot of blood. Wait, I can't say that. Yeah, he's really bad.
Blood?
Yeah.
Guys, where did Heynelm go?
Oh my god. Okay, alright, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Ambulance is not getting here for 2 hours.
2 hours?
So 2 hours.
Well, we gotta find him. He disappeared.
We gotta line something out, guys. You guys are not making sense. You guys are all screaming. We gotta calm down.
We're nervous.
I know this is a critical situation, but we gotta think. We gotta think what we're gonna do with Heynelm. Should we just let him die?
No, Edgar.
Listen, hey, I'm bringing stuff out to the table. I don't see you doing nothing.
I'm telling you.
We gotta push the scissors in. No, we can't.
You guys, he just fell. He just fell.
Oh my god! He fell, babe!
We left him alone for too long.
Get up!
Dude, look at this.
I don't even want to touch him. I'm
Oh,
scared.
no, this is blood.
That's not blood. That's apple juice. William.
Oh, no, William is gone.
Get up!
He's fine.
Babe, he's not doing good. I think we have to take him to the hospital.
Yeah, I think.
You think? But it's 2 hours. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, I think I know what to do. I'm gonna
Go.
do the bathroom.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You're
do
the
him.
doctor.
I'm gonna do him.
William, we need your help!
I'm gonna do him.
Do him real hard.
Put him in here. Guys, this is the only way.
No.
Where's the salt? Where's the salt?
Guys, I have to tell you something.
No, let's get him.
William.
I have to tell you something.
William, para freaking
Stay quiet. You don't have to say nothing to us.
I have to tell you something.
No.
I have to tell you something. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
What do you mean a prank?
It's a prank.
What do you mean a prank?
Yeah.
Bro, that's messed up, bro.
Bro, throw him in the freaking lake.
Bro, look, get the scissors.
It's a prank.
Get the real scissors.
She's got pranked. Wait, William actually fainted over the fake blood?
He's fainted like 10 times.
Yo, it's a prank, bro.
Can you please tell him it was fake blood?
Wait, what?
It was fake blood. It's a prank.
Wait, his blood?
It's a fake. It's a fake.
Oh my god,
Oh
don't
my
say
God.
that word!
He passed out again? Are you
Guys,
kidding me?
William hates blood, so every time he says the word blood, he literally faints. And he's fainted like 6 times already. Yo, it's a prank. Yo, it's a prank.
Beat him off like a slave.
Here. Get up, bro.
Stop, it's fake.
Wait, I'm not feeling good.
William.
It's a prank, bro.
Wait, what? Seriously? Dude, it's just a prank? Then what the hell is this?
It's fake.
It's fake blood.
Bro, what the heck, bro?
Dude,
Dude, I hit my head so many times already.
You fainted like 10 times.
Alright, guys. I'm over here cleaning up the mess I did.
As you should.
So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Because, you know, a lot of you that watch my video are not subscribed, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. We just hit 10,000 subscribers.